A celebration of heritage and unity. Overstones NFT celebration. Overstones will give away one NFT from the Overstones NFTs collection to all 200 people who are followed by Overstones. This decision is in line with our policy of fair distribution of the heritage of our ancestors among representatives of different nationalities that we have chosen randomly. For the next week, chosen community members have the opportunity to claim their NFT by simply providing their wallet address compatible with the Polygon network, whether through a public reply under this post or via DM. Overstones team emphasize that there will be no requests for private keys or any form of fees associated with this gift-giving initiative. Any such request should be considered fraudulent and promptly reported. At the heart of the Overstones collection lies its robust community, of various nationalities of individuals united by a shared passion for heritage and art. This initiative not only celebrates the value of community, but also underscores the power of unity in preserving and sharing our collective cultural legacy. The Overstones team extends its gratitude to the community for their unwavering support and looks forward to continuing this journey together, enriching lives through art, heritage, and shared experiences. Coming soon, in the next celebration, we will surprise 200 of our followers.